Hi everyone, so it's really close to Valentine's Day, and if you need one quick last minute thing that you can do that you might mostly have the stuff you already have, might mostly already have the stuff you need for it at home, keep watching. We're making these little tiny things. They have candy inside of them. You can draw on them or you can not, and they're kind of sort of heart shaped and sort of not, and they're not the best looking, but they're like good enough for like last minute, cause like yeah. So if you want to make these, keep watching. So, what you're going to need is a piece of like paper or cardstock. I know it's hard to see, I'm using pink because I am, but it's just half a piece, and we're going to be cutting it down a little more. Some like yarn or ribbon, depending on what you want to use. Scissors. Oh, that's too much pink, it's crazy. Hole punch. And then, whatever you want to put inside, I'm just putting some candy. And optional markers of some sort. I'm using a Sharpie and a paint marker, but you don't need these, I just have them as options. You want to take your paper, and you want to cut it in half, so I have half here, and you want to cut like another like inch off, inch or more. It's not perfect, it doesn't really matter. So now it looks something like this, and you don't need this piece. What you want to do is take this, you want to sort of fold it so it's in thirds. So it's not perfect, doesn't matter, it just needs to be close. Just close. Not going to be quite perfect with mine, but I don't care, just as long as it's close. Something like that. What you want to do is take whichever end decides to be the bottom, and you want to fold it so it completely goes the other direction like that. So now this will be kind of like the back, and then you're gonna fold this up. You gotta get it far enough up like this. You get it folded like that, so it's like that, and then do the same on the other side. Looks something along those lines. Doesn't have to be perfect, it needs to be close. And then what you want to do is take your hole punch and punch a hole in each of those corners. I'll do it real quick and then I'll show you. Far enough in that when you pull on it a little bit that it won't just rip right out. Something like that. And then you want to take your yarn, I'm going to be using blue just because I am, and take the end of it and feed it through one of these, and take it and feed it through the other one. Sorry, this is really hard to see and stuff because it's all pink, but yeah. Feed it through the other one, and then pull that tight and knot it a couple times. So you just pull it and then knot it. Knot it a couple times so it doesn't undo. One more time, I'll just do that. So now you got this. Might as well just leave this attached for now because you make sure you don't cut not enough. Now what you want to do, so you want to take it and you want to fold it in, push it in this way, and fold this. You want to fold it in the same way, so it's like the same direction as that one, sort of like that. And fold it inward, so see the bottom is like that. Inward, so it goes down. You want to go down far enough that you make enough paper fold over. So it ends up, the paper is not being cooperative. If you use actual paper and not cardstock, it'd be much easier too, because it'd be thinner. I recommend that and not cardstock. I just have cardstock because I do. I'm going to fold it so it goes something like that. And then you want to take this and you want to get this opened up somewhat so you can get this folded down inside itself, which is difficult if you fold over too much and reverse fold this part like that. It's not going to look perfect, it's going to look a little messy, but this is just for last minute Valentine's. You're not going to give this to like your most favorite person in the world, and if you do and they don't like it, too bad on them. So now you want to just fold this down so it looks something. I'll get this corner a little more smooth. So it looks something like that. I know it's messy and garbage looking sort of, but it's just good enough for like this last minute. Hey, they're getting candy inside, that'll be fine. So now what I'm going to do just flatten this part right here out and punch a hole in it. Gotta get it flat, and you can get a hole punch right there. Something like that. If you could get it a little farther, that'd be way better, but I couldn't. So now what you want to do is you want to kind of just squish it so you can get it open and shove your candy down inside. You'll have to pretty much take it all apart and unfold it completely to get the candy out, but yeah. What you want to do now is just take your string, figure out how much you want, cut off too much because it's better to have too much and not enough. Take this, thread it through the hole, and then pull it back. Not too tight because with mine it'll bust right there. And then you want to just tie these two pieces together. And then you can just cut the extra off. So now it looks something like this. I know it's not like super cute and awesome, but if it looks really bad, and you can first of all just write who you're giving it to and who it's from on it, all of them, or you can just like draw some little hearts on it, and that makes it cuter. You just draw little hearts all over it, like that, and that makes it cuter. You can obviously draw way nicer hearts. I just didn't. Or you can take like a paint marker and like draw hearts on it too. Like that. But yeah. Just something like this. It's sort of heart-shaped. Didn't take you very long. You can just give somebody a little something if you don't have time to do a whole lot. But yeah, it's better than nothing. So yeah, if you like simple little quick things like this, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any ideas you have, and subscribe. Bye!